Type C base. 1K resistance. 5mm LED. KBP 208 bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier AC pin connecting with base pin at positive or negative side. (1K resistance connecting with LED negative side. Resistance connecting with base positive side and LED positive side connecting with base negative side. Battery holder negative wire connecting with rectifier negative side. Battery holder positive wire connecting with rectifier positive side. .5V mobile charger. 18650 lithium battery cell.